Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial for real beginners at hand lettering. And in this tutorial we are going to draw with the Tombow. That's a real brush pen. But before we start, we will draw with a color pencil, or you can use a graphite pencil, of course. And what you can also do is first set dots every 2 centimeters and draw some lines for you to help you guide your alphabet onto the paper. So simply place some thin lines, not too thick. Oh, my camera is going berserk here. And then you take your color pencil or graphite pencil and you start drawing the complete alphabet. Make sure that all strokes that go upward are as thin and soft as possible, and all the lines that go down are thick and heavy. It is very, very smart to start with a pencil because then you can put in the pressure soft and hard, and then you go over the letters that you've drawn yourself, and then exactly draw the same, but this time with the brush pen. So go thin upwards and thick downwards. If you want to start hand lettering, it is very smart to make as many alphabets as possible just to get the hang of it. And what is also very nice is when you first draw with the pencil, your hand gets warmed up, and then you can work easily and better with the brush pen. Now let's start connecting the letters together. I've taken the pencil again and I am writing the word beginner. Then I take the brush pen and I go over these words, but this time I am connecting the letters together. And all upward strokes are thin and the downward strokes are thick. Now this is one way of writing, but what is also very fun to do is not to write all the letters at the same height. So I write the word beginner again, but as you can see, they are connected, but they are not all at the same line. Here you can see the straight line, and here you can see the lines that are not in line. Let's try a longer word. Write the word beautiful. This is in a straight line. Now take the Tombow and start trying to draw the word beautiful without first putting in the lines with the pencil. Just write beautiful and let the letters jump up and down a little bit. Now the word becomes more playful and more interesting to watch. You can even start to make some little ornaments around your word to make that word pop out. Here I'm placing some little dots and some little strokes to make that word pop off the paper. Well, I hope you find this tip helpful, and I wish you all the good luck on your drawing with the brush pen. I will see you again in my next tutorial, and have a good lesson.